representative of SAU-Odisha to please come.
Esteemed Joint Secretary, Manrega, and directors and senior officials of Ministry of Rural Development and senior officials from other ministry also, Social Audit directors and my dear colleagues. Good afternoon to one and all. Actually, before going to the details of the best practices that we are doing in last 1.5 years, I'll just speak few slides on what is the status of social audit at present. Next, please. So actually, as per the Manrega Act, we set up social audit unit in 2011-12, but social audit was actually started in the year 17-18 after the appointment of director, social audit resource persons. They were trained, and social audit was started in 17-18 in different schemes. Next. Our effective team is like this. We have directors, social audit experts, accounts officers, accountant in the state level, district social auditors. But now, very recently, on recommendation of our EC, Executive Committee, we have appointed social audit assistants from data entry operator in each district. They are, because of the number of schemes, so they are there to assist the district social auditor, because he is the only person who has to file number of reports, returns, MPRs, etc. So we have appointed data entry operator come social audit assistant to assist the district resource person. We have all these trained resource person at the block level, 309, and the village resource persons. Next. Next slide, please. So this is, we have conducted social audit of 6 schemes: National Social Assistance Program, ICDS Mamta, 15 Financial Commission Grant, National Food Security Act, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and PM Poshan. PM Poshan we just conducted. In pipeline, we have Samagra Shiksha and different schemes from Ministry of Social Justice. These 2 schemes, serial number 7 and 8, these 2 schemes are under the pipeline, but we have conducted at least 1 or 2 rounds of social audit of other schemes and submitted the report to the concerned departments and the ministry. Next. This is the rounds, different rounds of social audit conducted. For Manrega, we have conducted around 10 rounds. For National Social Assistance Program, we have conducted 5 rounds. National Food Security Act, we have conducted 2. PMAJ 1, 15 Financial Commission 2, like that. So, next please. This is the social audit achievement, social audit unit achievement. Next slide, please. Next. So, I will start achievement, speaking on achievement of last 1.5 years from this. When I joined in July 2022, there was a recommendation from the Executive Committee to publish a quarterly newsletter. So I thought that compiling the news views and reports and also events of different districts, we published it. We have published the 3rd issue of the newsletter with a message from secretaries, chief secretaries also. But later on found that this is not a simple newsletter. When we distributed these newsletters among our district resource person, there is a competition among the different districts to go for doing something good for in their own district. Similarly, one more thing we also observed when we distributed these newsletters to different state government institutes, State Administrative Training Institute, Agricultural Extension Training Institute, they could know about the concept of social audit. They were usually not acquainted with the concept of social audit. Now, the State Financial Training Institute, a State Administrative Training Institute have introduced a concept of social audit in the training module for state administrative officers, finance officers, as well as agricultural officers. So this newsletter has resulted in introduction of different components in the training of induction course of different officers. So this is two results that we have found out of this. Secondly, next, we have a partnership with Tata Institute of Social Science. They requested us to conduct internship program of Master of Social Work students. So last December we conducted one internship program for them. They came out with very good experiences after staying 1 month in the Gram Panchayat. So when our principal secretary said, let them speak and present what they have seen. So it was like a test audit for us. They spoke many things, what is wanting, what is lacking in the field, how the village resource person need to be more trained, need to be re-skilled, like that. And this year also we are having this internship program for Tata Institute of Social Science MSW students in the November and December program. So this is type of test audit for us. They are commenting on our weaknesses. So this is a best practice, I think, for in case of the state of Odisha.